If you want a glass skin, these are the products you need to be using in your skincare routine. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to get soft, supple, and hydrated skin. So if you want your skin to have 20 times better glow than Parlor Facial, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe because you're going to be learning so much on this channel. I'm going to be walking you through a customized skincare routine, treatments, and products that will help you get that soft, beautiful, hydrated, glowing skin. So let's dive right into it. Guys, imagine your skin looking so soft, smooth, and this glowy. Like people can basically see their faces through your face. Your skin is basically going to be looking like a mirror. So if you want your skin feeling super soft, smooth, supple, healthy, and glowy without any form of irritation, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and the rest, like you basically want a glass or mirror skin, that's exactly what we are here to talk about, how to achieve this glass skin. And you know the best part, you can actually do this from the comfort of your own home. Now we are going to be starting off with a customized skincare routine. And the first step you need to follow if you want to get soft, supple, hydrated, glowing skin is double cleansing. See, if you want to have a beautiful glass glowing skin, you need to do more than just cleansing your skin, because if you're someone that wears makeup or sunscreen, you will notice that when you take off your makeup, it doesn't go off totally, especially if your makeup is water resistant. If you're someone that wears makeup or water resistant sunscreen, you will notice that whenever you cleanse your face and want to go in with your toner and cotton pad, you will still see some residue of your makeup sitting on that cotton pad. So cleansing or washing your face alone can never get rid of all the dirt you have on your face. So double cleansing your skin is one way you can have your skin looking 20 times better than when you get a Parlor Facial. Now, if you're double cleansing your skin, the first thing you need to do is to go in with an oil-based cleanser. I know this might sound odd, especially if you have an oily skin, but hear me out. Oil actually attracts oil. So using an oil-based cleanser first is going to break down all the makeup and sunscreen you have on your face, especially if they are water resistant. Even your skin's natural oil that was produced throughout the day will also be broken down. So using an oil cleanser first is going to dissolve all the gunk that you have on your face. Now, with that said, some of my favorite cleansing oils that I'm going to be recommending you use is this Bioma Milky Cleansing Oil. This is actually one of my favorite oil-based cleansers that is going to help get rid of all the makeup on your face and still hydrate your skin. This particular oil-based cleanser is formulated with olive fruits, and I also love the fact that it contains ceramide. So it's a very nice moisturizing and hydrating cleanser that is still going to leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, supple, and glowing even after you are done cleansing or washing your face. So if you cannot afford to get this particular one, you can get the CeraVe oil cleanser. This also gets the job done. But if you cannot afford to get any of those, you can get Vaseline petroleum jelly. Like you can actually use that to break down your makeup before going in with your face cleanser. So once you're done rinsing off your oil-based cleanser, you want to go in with a water-based cleanser. Like you can use any regular cleanser of your choice, but some of my favorite and affordable face cleansers I recommend you use is this simple micellar gel wash, or you can get this Aveeno Calming Oats cleanser. This is also very nice and suitable for people with sensitive skin. Now, this step is actually crucial because it's going to help remove the remaining impurities that your oil-based cleanser was not able to get hold of. So going in with a water-based cleanser is going to ensure your pores are properly cleansed without stripping your skin of its natural oil. So double cleansing your skin is basically going to leave your skin feeling clean, hydrated, soft, and supple. It's a secret weapon to achieving that flawless glowing complexion that you so desire. Now, the next or second step in your customized skincare routine is hydration. And when I talk about hydration, I'm talking about adding back the moisture your skin have lost while you were cleansing your skin. So in other words, the next or second step we'll be talking about is to tone your skin. Now, you need to think of your toner as the bridge between cleansing your skin and the rest of your skincare products. So toners are basically going to help prep your skin and set the stage for your other skincare products to be able to absorb or penetrating deeply into your skin. Now, the question is, what kind of toner do you need to use? First of all, you need an alcohol-free toner and a hydrating toner. So if you're getting a toner for your skin, you need to consider hydration. Like, you need a toner that will be able to hydrate your skin, prep your skin, and give you that soft, supple, glowing skin. So personally, I love to use this RX Propolis toner because it hydrates the skin. Like, this is one toner that is going to help prep your skin and give you that plump, healthy, hydrated, glowing skin. Like, immediately you apply this RX Propolis toner on your skin is basically going to be glowing. It's a very nice toner, and if you're looking to achieve a beautiful glass glowing skin, this is one toner I would definitely recommend you use. I also love this aqua toner. I also love this Aquel or Acewell toner, whichever one you call it, because it's a pH balancing toner and is also going to help brighten your skin and give you that beautiful glowing skin. So if you're looking to get a toner that will hydrate your skin, this too is definitely your best bet. Like, these are toners that I've been using and they are super amazing. Now, here is a cool trick that you can do if you want to have that 20 times better glow than a parlor facial. So if you want to have that 20 times better glow than parlor facial, you need to be layering your toner. Like, create multiple layers when applying your toner. So one thing I basically do is to apply multiple layers of my toner on my skin. Like, guys, you just need to apply your toner, allow it to dry, then go in with another layer depending on how you want to. Like, you can even layer your toner up to 7 times and it's going to create a beautiful glowy glass skin. I know this sounds extra, but trust me, it's a game changer. And guys, I've been practicing this for some time, and when I tell you that this is going to give you that glass beautiful glowing skin, like, your skin is going to be super soft, hydrated, supple, and nice. Like, whenever I tend to layer my toners and I touch my face, guys, the way my skin feels, like how supple and tender like a baby's skin it feels, like it's even more tender and supple than a baby's skin whenever I choose to layer my toner. Your face is going to be looking like a mirror. People will get to peep their face through you. See, gone are the days when people say that toners are optional. My dear, don't let anyone deceive you. If you should add a toner in your skincare routine, like, make it a daily habit to be applying your toner both morning and night, and watch how amazing your skin is going to be looking. Now, the next or third step you need to follow if you want a glass glowing super hydrated skin is to use an essence. Guys, this is the hidden secret that no one is ever going to tell you. See, if you want to have that extra boost and make your skin look 20 times better glowy than when you get a facial, then adding an essence in your skincare routine is basically one thing you need to do. And some of my favorite essence that I would recommend you use is this Thiam Snail and Azulene Water Essence. Guys, when I tell you that this product is lovely, you better believe it. This is a product that is going to help with your damaged skin, your dry skin, your uneven skin. Like, this particular product is going to make your other skincare products work 20 times better than they used to. See, most of the hyperpigmentation dull skin you tend to encounter is because your skin do not have enough moisture, and it still has to do with your different actives that you're feeding it. So if you want to have a glass beautiful healthy looking skin, try adding an essence in your skincare routine and watch how your skin is going to transform. So if you want that supple, soft, beautiful, glass glowing skin, just go get the Thiam Snail and Azulene Water Essence and add in your skincare routine. Or you can get the Hada Labo or the Benton Snail Essence. Like, any of this essence is going to give you that glass skin. Like, this is all you need to have that super healthy glass skin. It's going to make your other skincare products work 20 times better. It will brighten and glow your skin. Like, if you should start using an essence in your skincare routine, trust me, you're going to be wondering where you have been all your life. Now, the next or fourth step in your customized skincare routine is to moisturize your skin. Guys, I need you to understand something. Moisturizing your skin is not about slapping any cream on your face and calling it a day. It basically goes beyond that. You need to be able to know the right products and ingredients for your skin when it comes to moisturizing your skin. Like, if you're someone with a dry skin, you need a rich moisturizing cream to use on your skin. Whereas if you're someone with an oily skin or combination skin, you can opt in for a lightweight moisturizing cream. And one of my favorite face moisturizers that I've found to be suitable for all skin types and complexion is this simple replenishing moisturizer, or you can get the Topic Cream Soothing Cream. Like, any of those face moisturizers is going to get the job done. And the amazing thing is they are suitable for all skin types and they will help to glow your face. Personally, I've been using this Eliza Jones face moisturizer, and this moisturizer is so hydrating and it's going to help nourish your skin. Now, when it comes to moisturizing your skin, you also need to understand that using a face moisturizer is not just enough. Like, you need to add that extra moisture to your skin. And that brings me to my next step, which is using sheet masks and supplements. Guys, since I started incorporating sheet masks and supplements in my skincare routine, my complexion have never looked the same. Like, my skin looks so much healthy, glowy, beautiful, and radiant. And I'm here to tell you, you've got to try it. Using sheet masks and supplements in your skincare routine will help to brighten your skin, moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and make your skin look so much healthy, beautiful, supple, and glowy. So if you want a glass looking skin, girl, you have got to cop a sheet mask or add a sheet mask in your skincare routine. And some of my best or favorite sheet masks that I've been using lately is this MAC Grigo Natural Moisture Sheet Mask. And I actually love this collagen one and the aloe vera one. There are other variants actually, so you can pick the one that you like most and add in your skincare routine. I think when I got the sheet mask, it was around 1,500 or 2,000. I don't think it was more than 2,500 when I got them. I love to use the sheet masks on weekends to relax. Like, on Saturdays, I love to use this and pamper myself and just relax. So you can choose to use your sheet masks once or 2 times weekly, but personally, I use them like on Saturdays or Sundays when I want to relax and pamper my skin. Now, for supplements, I use the Effervescence Vitamin C supplement and the omega-3 fish oil supplements. Like this one from Principal Healthcare, I really love the taste of this particular supplement. And this is also a vitamin C supplement I love to use. And this particular one is from By Life. This is another supplement I really love to use. Like, these two vitamin C supplements are so good. But for me, like, the taste of this one is just so different. This one does not have artificial coloring and taste, but this particular one has coloring and taste. So these are the two vitamin C supplements I get to take. I also have a video on supplements, so you can check them out to cop a very nice supplement for your skin. So this omega-3 fish oil supplement is another supplement I've been taking. And guys, trust me when I say it's going to give you that plump, healthy looking skin from within. So if you're looking to maintain a beautiful, glowy glass skin, just cop a supplement and add in your skincare routine. Like, you can also get the collagen supplement, fish oil supplement, vitamin C supplement, healthy you supplement, and the rest. Like, any of the supplements is going to give you a beautiful, glowing skin. Now, like I always say, if you want to maintain a beautiful, hydrated, glowy glass skin, then you definitely need to be exfoliating your skin 2 or 3 times weekly and use a sunscreen with an SPF 50 or above. Now, one thing no one will ever tell you is that your diet contributes or plays a major role on how your skin looks and feels. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you, but if your diet is junk or trash, you're honestly going to be looking like trash. So if you want a beautiful glass glowing skin, you need to start taking your vegetables, eat your fruits, and watch how your skin is going to glow. So there you have it. All you need to do is to follow these steps and routine and be consistent with them if you actually want to achieve a soft, supple, hydrated, glowing skin. Like if you want your face looking 20 times better glowy than when you get a facial, just practice or use these products in your skincare routine and watch how amazing your skin is going to look. Like give your skin basically 3 weeks to a month and watch how healthy, nourished, and glowy your skin is going to be looking. So feel free to splurge and pamper your skin. Like you don't need to save that money and watch how your result is going to pass the results of when you get a facial done. Like that is basically all you need to do to get soft, supple, and hydrated, glowy glass skin. Trust me, your skin is going to have 20 times better glow than Parlor facial. So yeah, that is it on today's video. I hope this video was very helpful. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.